All right, guys, what do we have in the little box here? Aha. These are 2-pack USB wall charger, surge protector, 5 outlets, extender with 4 USBs, charging ports. Got these for the shop because I'm tired of like looking for USB charger adapters. So anyway, show you what I got here. And they're only 30 bucks. You get 2 of them, so 15 bucks each, and you just plug them in the wall. Very simple. And then you got USB-C as well. So you still got your 5 outlets, and you're just missing one, but you got all your USBs right there. So, and you got a surge protector as well. So, and they even hook together. Maybe not. I wonder why it doesn't fit in there. That one's kind of bent. So, that's strange. I guess the outlets are a little bit different. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Very simple, easy way to organize your office or your house if you don't like all those, extra USBs sticking out, adapters, and you can clean it up and have all your phones. If you have more than 1 or 2 phones or accessories, you can just simply plug them in right there. 2 of them, one in your bedroom, one in your living room, wherever you plug them in at. So I'll leave a link in the description. It's an easy way to clean up your office or your desk area or wherever you plug your phone or your smartphones in. All right, it's Roger with Rogers Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.